Hi everybody, it's Melissa and Chad from C&M Collectibles, and we have our October Yum Box. This is the Super Yum Box, and it is a box that is sent to us from Universal Yums, and it's full of treats from another place. So I am doing the talking this time, and Chad is going to read the booklet. So we'll see how that works out.
I got it.
This one is from the birthplace of Tetris. So, like we assumed, it is Russia.
Mother Russia.
So, let's go ahead and get this open. I did not get a spittoon this time, so it better not be anything gross. Alright, so, as we open, right, welcome to Russia. Here's our card there, my dear. Oh. Okay, so
you get to dole them out too. This is your.
It's my deal this
you're
time.
on the show.
Unfortunately, there's a huge yum bag.
Oh boy, lots of nasty candy.
Right. Okay. Well, let's just
Okay, where are we going to?
start with the top. I don't know. It's in Russian.
Grilled potatoes with shallots. Shallot and potato flavored wheat snack. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it says it right on the front there.
It does.
It's Cyrillic.
Okay. Anything good there?
No.
Any data there?
No. They don't call him the best colored guy in the business for nothing.
There you go. Okay, so it's kind of a waffly,
Dried out little.
yeah, it kind of looks like one of those Cheeto, they have Cheetos that look like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not bad.
I give that a 5. I mean.
It tastes like sour cream and onion.
Mm-hmm. And shallots.
Almost a little stale.
From Russia.
But I think the stale part is like the puffy part.
I can see you eating those later.
I will not.
No?
No.
Oh, those are pretty tasty.
You're going to eat these before you come to bed and you're going to smell.
I smell anyway, so let's just take
Yeah, but this is going to be... There's Mr. Shallot driving a motorcycle with these square wheels.
Mm-hmm. The grilled potato wheels.
Right. Not bad. Not bad to start. Alright.
Crunchy, smoky, and oniony.
I give that a 4, by the way.
Okay.
Crunchy, smoky, and oniony.
Yeah. I give it a 5.
Let's just do this and get it out of the way. Oh, God. This looks vegetable-y.
Mushroom croutons.
Nope, that's not it. It's this one. Because the mushroom croutons is the one I just got it a minute ago.
Okay. Pickled cucumber corn balls.
Oh, well.
Corn snack with pickled cucumbers.
Just
when it comes to pickles, Russians don't mess around. The locals rely on pickled foods like cucumbers, tomatoes, mushrooms, and eggplant to get through the long, cold winters.
They hibernate and eat pickled yuckness.
Yeah.
Corn snack with pickled cucumber.
Yep.
Crap.
That's what we're doing. Tally ho. What do I say on Russian?
Yep.
Yeah.
As the picture describes.
Alright.
No, wait. Leave it for the cats. Why not? Oh, alright. I thought you dropped one.
Mm-mm.
Okay, you go first.
Yeah.
Since you love pickles. It only has about 4 crunches in it. Not too bad. Crunch and then fade? Is that really gross? Yep.
It's not really gross. I mean, it's
cucumber. Ooh.
It's not horrible.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh.
No. Some of the stuff we had last month was horrible. I mean, come on.
It's a cucumbery, cheesy, pickly. Ugh. Oh, and then the swallow is gross. Swallow's bad. Ugh.
Yeah.
Ugh. No. Uh-uh. 1. Nope.
These aren't really gross, but
They're not good.
Yeah, they're not awesome. You don't like that? What's it taste like?
Kind of delicious, but
Kind of.
on the outside, nah.
They're not very delicious. Okay, let me see.
Can I have a drink?
Yes, you may.
And can I taste something really good?
We got some. We got one thing that's really good.
Okay. And can I try it? And if it's chocolate chippies, I really like it.
It's not chocolate chippies, but it's not gross. Okay, that's good, because you're going to have another drink here in just a minute.
What are they?
Good product endorsement.
What are these?
These are onion chips. Tastes like sour cream and chili. It's good.
I think it's got a kick to it, doesn't it?
Crunchy, though. Crunchy, but good.
That's good.
Did you two like it?
Not too bad. Let me ask you. Does this hurt?
No.
How about this?
No.
Okay, then you're good. It's just an ouchie ear. Sometimes Mommy gets that too. Do you get an ouchie ear sometimes, Dad?
I do, sometimes, yeah.
I think it just is.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go back to bed. Go back to bed, please.
My TV wouldn't go off, and it was already down. So I turned it off.
Okay, good, thank you.
And then I went pee, and then I came out here to talk.
Okay, so we had an interruption from a little bit, sorry. These are gross.
Give him a 3, though. There's worse.
I don't think so. Oh, that was pretty bad. That was pretty rough. This one's going to be bad because This one's going to be bad because I see salmon. This one's going to be gross because it has salmon.
You love salmon.
I do not.
Salmon and cheese husks.
Holy crap.
It's cheese. You like half of it. You do
Yeah, but
too
then
like
it's followed
cheese.
by husks.
Salmon and cheese rye breadsticks is the official. Any cheese lover will agree that most things are better with cheese, but here's a stumper. What about salmon?
I thought seafood and cheese don't go together.
Cats won't do it, so I don't know.
There's your test.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's tons of buttery flavor. This cheesy salmon snack is surprisingly savory. It looks like a tongue twister. You got it.
There's the try to move it so
When
you
I
can
was
see it.
hostessing, I was giving you one.
Would you like me to finger your salmon rye breadstick, dear?
Not on camera.
The places I could go. Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
It should be noted that I absolutely love salmon, and I give that a 1 out of 5.
Remember these? When I said these were bad?
Yeah. No.
Nope.
No.
Okay,
Those are 1 out of 5.
That is
That's horrible.
horrible.
That's a whole lot of horrible. You can go ahead and put that stick back in there.
I'm not even going to put it back in there. It doesn't even deserve to go back in there.
What's up next? Let's get that taste out of our mouth. What's up?
No, is what I'm looking at here.
You give up?
Well, yeah, I just give up. more sticks.
Yeah, this is a different one, though.
Yeah, thank God.
This is holodets and horseradish huffs. Meat, jelly, and horseradish rye breadsticks.
I was all in with
Get
it.
excited. You're about to indulge in one of Russia's most iconic specialties, holodets. That's not enough motivation to get you to open the bag. We encourage you to do it right now before you read any further. Ah. Hello.
Okay.
For
So,
the timid, let's talk about holodets. Holodets is the Russian word for cold meat jelly. This popular dish is made with pig, cow, or chicken feet suspended in a gelatin base and traditionally topped with spicy mustard. Now hang on, before you throw the bag across the room, you won't find any actual meat jelly in here. There you go.
that does not make me happy. Then why do they call it that?
Let's give it a go.
This is supposed to get that other taste apple.
It will.
But it'll put a new one in there.
Yeah.
I can't open it.
I think that's probably what it's already done. Right there.
Oh, it could have been.
Yeah.
Oh, it could have been. That one. Okay. Oh.
Yeah, good. I can't stand horseradish, so.
There's no horseradish to that smell. Ooh. Something's not agreeing. That was my stomach that just growled. Okay.
Better get on the road
I can't.
before you turn into a toad.
Oh my God, they stink.
Oh,
They stink so bad.
dude. Oh.
Okay, I got horseradish. They definitely taste better than they smell. I know you don't like horseradish, but I have to give that one a 2.
I
That
give it
one's not
a 2
as
because
bad
it
as
wasn't
the
as
other one.
bad as the other one, but it was still
Okay.
wasn't awesome.
This one says it's a snack time.
Shashlik potato chips. Shish kebab flavored potato chips.
Oh, God. Nothing about that sounds good, but all right.
Russian chocolate is made from secret family recipes passed down from generation to generation. Typically include lamb chunks marinated in zesty concoction of onions, vinegar, and secret spices.
It's like a shell.
It's like a Crisco. Remember those?
Nope.
Oh. Ready?
It tastes like anything.
No, not really.
It tastes like air. That's not too bad.
Air is good. We'll take air.
I'll give that about a 5. That's pretty good.
A 5, wow.
Yeah, that wasn't bad. I don't get any
You give it
meat.
a 5 because it wasn't bad?
Yeah. I mean, I don't get any meat or any vegetable.
No, I didn't get anything.
Right. That's why I give it a 5.
Alright, well, I give it a 3
Tastes like
just
some of that
because it was kind of nothing. Okay.
Alright, now here's your mushroom
Yeah. Mushroom croutons.
croutons.
Mushroom croutons. Mushroom flavored crackers. At this very moment, dozens of basket-carrying Russians are wandering through the forest, staring intensely at the ground. There are mushrooms running.
Don't pigs do that? How come they don't have any pigs?
I don't know.
Oh.
Oh.
They're sealed like that other stuff. Kind of looks like a mushroom. You kind of see through it. It's like waffly.
That's a different kind of looking deal. Tastes like mushroom.
Right.
Mushroom.
Nope. No, still not as bad as that one, though.
No, that was pretty good. Actually, I'll give those a 4.
Ew. No, I'm going to go with 2, but it's still not as bad as that one.
I'm going to go with 4.
All right. Oh, God. When they start giving you multiples of things, that's how you know it's just gross.
Standing, yeah.
We got 2 seaweed businesses there last time, so. That one ranks right up there with seaweed, though. That salmon and cheese business.
No.
Oh, man.
Man, that seaweed was on its own planet there.
So gross. It's a purpley thing. I don't know. It's yuka puffalufa.
That's what it is. Black currant zephyr. I think it's Psacard. Chocolate covered black currant marshmallow.
Oh, God.
What's wrong with that? What do you not like in there?
Black currant, marshmallow,
How do you know that?
and probably the chocolate. If you
love marshmallows. You just made Rice Krispie treats.
Yeah, but I don't like marshmallows in stuff. Like, I don't like nougat. I don't like Peeps. That's nothing but a marshmallow. Gross. Oh, God. It's kind of a, I don't know.
Dirty looking little thing.
There's a cookie that kind of looks like this, and I'm hoping that it tastes like that. But I'm
There's
gonna
no
bet
cookie
it's
in
not.
there. No.
Yeah. No cookie. Marshmallow. There you go. You'll like that. Go ahead. Ick. No. Girl, here, you want them.
Uh-huh. No.
I thought you were offering me seconds. Oh.
It's tart, man.
It is, but it's not gross.
That is tart.
It's not good. I didn't say it was good.
No.
I said it was gross.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do
Purple marma. Marma berries and cream gummies.
The heck is a marmaberry?
Well, about to find out. Raspberry, blueberry, and cream gummy candy.
That doesn't sound horrible. I mean, heck. You can tell me it's made with, like, lamb or pig's feet or something.
Now you'll get to try Russia's berries for yourself. Yes, we know these aren't real berries, but honestly, they come pretty close.
I don't know how many toucans you see in Russia, but
I think they're endangered. It always works right there on the other
edge.
Yeah, on the hole where you punch through. Oh, there's all kinds of different flavors in there, isn't it? It's like a
little berry.
It's a smorgasbord.
With a, what did you call it? A what?
Cream gummy candy.
Okay, with the cream.
Yeah. You got like, got a couple different kinds here. Ready? Yeah. Got me at the end there. They're not bad though.
No, but it's almost like they're jelly filled. Like they got like a little ooze in the middle.
It tastes like fruit snacks.
They do taste like fruit snacks. I'm gonna give that 3.
I give it 5. Okay. I like them.
I might go 4. I could be persuaded.
That's how you know 6?
Nope.
No.
Not a 6. Why do we have so many of these damn things? Okay. Oh my lord.
Next.
Let's do this.
Red October Southern Nuts. Oh, no?
No.
Oh.
But oh god. That doesn't sound good.
Starburst looking thing.
Yeah, that thing.
Red October Crepish. Red October Crepish. Soft toffee with peanuts.
Okay. Those don't look like peanuts. That's why I was a little nervous. Doesn't look bad.
No.
I do see 2 of these. Usually means it sucks.
Crumbly toffee bar with ground peanuts.
Your favorite. So it kind of looks like a bird. Oh. Okay. Dropped it. Okay. Tastes like a protein bar. A little more sugary. It's not awesome. It's not horrible. I've had worse.
Looks like a 2 for me.
Yeah, you don't like peanuts in your stuff.
Mm-mm. Not really.
I could go with 3.
Yeah, that's just, I don't know, it's kind of weird.
It is weird. Very weird.
It reminds me of the consistency of this stuff my dad used to make called date loaf.
Ew.
But it didn't have dates. What's this?
I don't know. You got the book.
Oh,
that.
that's it.
That.
Oh, okay. Looks like a winner to me.
Strawberries and monsters.
Strawberry popcorn. Popcorn with strawberry coating. I mean, how can you...
Go wrong. I know that's what you're going to say. And let me count the ways.
Considering popcorn first arrived in Western movie theaters after 1991,
It is popcorn.
we're super impressed with their creative popcorn innovations.
Oops.
You gonna give me the table corn?
That's fine. Table corn. I was only going to eat one, but... Tastes like kettle corn with strawberries. And I don't like kettle corn. Well, given the crap that we've eaten today. You know who will like this, don't you?
Yeah. She's in the other room.
She's in the other room.
Yeah.
She loves strawberries and she loves popcorn. So,
And she likes eating.
and she does like eat, well, sometimes. Most of the time. Huh. Okay.
Yeah, that's... Those are 2 for me.
I'm going to go with 4 on that, but I like popcorn. I don't like kettle corn, though. It's really sweet. I don't know. Alright. We're getting down to stuff that has English on it, and I don't want to eat it.
Yeah, that's a beefy looking deal.
I know. Some kind of cake.
That is Tula Pironic.
Gingerbread cake with baked milk and honey flavored filling. Oh, yuck.
Gingerbread with condensed milk and honey. Before you dig into this yum, you should know that you're about to eat something very, very old. At least when it comes to the history behind it.
This one, or?
It was originally called honey bread.
It's manufactured in July of 18.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
The gingerbread in your hands is not just any pryonic. It's Russia's most famous.
Okay. So this has the manufacture date and the best before date.
Is the best before the manufacturer date?
It is not, which is good.
That's
Oh,
when you
it
know
should
it's
have been.
set up. Yeah. Might be delicious. You like
So
gingerbread?
good. Oh,
Are you sure about that, or?
pretty positive.
Okay.
So it's literally like a cake. There you go. That was why. You like that. I don't get gingerbread at all.
A little bit. Not much. Not bad. It's rustic.
Tastes rustic, alright.
A little dry.
Right, I said that. Well, the first ingredient is wheat flour.
Mm-hmm.
Do you normally have something else first? When it's a cake? Like milk or eggs or...
No. It's kind of funny because all flour is wheat flour. So, whatever.
Ugh. Like, oh, there's the honey filling. I didn't get any of that. Nope. Not necessary. That is not going to change my opinion of that. Dry cake. Okay. Well, yuck is what's left. Let's get this out of the way. That's how this was.
What is that? Ugh. I don't like the color inside of that.
Nope, you're not going to.
Grapefruit Chocolate Bar. Dark chocolate bar with grapefruit. Just go.
He hates grapefruit. I happen to love grapefruit, but I hate dark chocolate. So
I also hate dark chocolate.
Who?
I also hate dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
No, dark chocolate.
I know him.
He gets mad when he goes swimming at his dock.
Wasn't he in the movie?
Yeah, Doc.
Holiday or something? Yeah. You want to split this piece?
I don't even care. Break your teeth? That's not the color of the picture.
It's not. Oh, yuck.
Next.
That's not grapefruit.
That's not dark chocolate.
It was that, though. That was not good. What do you give that? 1? I say 2. It's not
Oh, that was terrible.
It's not good.
Absolutely terrible. Is this? Oh, this?
Baked milk roll cake.
Well, that might not be bad. Korovka Fairy Tale Roll Cake. Chocolate dipped baked milk cake. For many Russians, this cake is a part of their tough history and their childhoods. It is. A lot of stuff.
Man, something stinks. I'm still smelling something. I think it's that salmon thing. Ugh. Okay. What did you say it was called?
Korovka Fairy Tale Roll Cake.
Korovka Fairy.
Fairy tale. That's in the tail, but different.
Ugh. And it's chocolate on the back.
What are you putting in?
Our friend.
Where?
Fine around. Okay. Dry ass cake, people.
Huh?
Nope. Not horrible. Not good.
Yeah, just kind of. Look at this read. No? What do you give it? You just give it a
No, that was a Sam thing. Ugh. Like a 1. I can't. That's. No. Man, that's bad news. That was gross. Ah. Alright.
I didn't think it was that bad.
While we're getting into the baked milk habit, here's some baked milk taste with glazed bottom biscuits.
I like my biscuits glazed on the bottom. Baked milk cookies with chocolate glaze. Got milk? The Russians sure do. That's it.
Look at that story. I just stepped on Weezy. He's under the table.
Is that
A cat's under the table.
Enjoy this authentic taste of Russian baked milk and be grateful that there are no frogs in your cookies.
What in the world is that supposed to mean?
No idea. Ooh. Wow, it looks like one of those
Shortbread
Girl Scout cookies. Remember the ones with the animals on?
I know, but
I think these are probably okay.
we got coconut in them.
No?
Ugh. Oh, excuse me, it's the egg powder. Mm-mm. Not a fan of baked milk.
Baked milk?
My tummy's not a fan of baked milk either.
I'm telling you. Let's go ahead and finish that cookie. This sure is a fancy box.
It says it is chocolatey coated fondant candies with cocoa powder coating. Oh, we didn't get that other thing up. I'm gonna say a 2 on a cookie.
Yeah, I'm going to give it a 5 since I ate the whole thing. Did you see this? Southern Nuts? Red October
Cocoa
Southern.
coated almond fondant. Yeah, that's this.
Okay.
The picture's different than the box.
Yeah. Did we do this?
Nope, that's still in there.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Like I'm opening chocolates.
Bonbons. There you go. I like you doing it better.
Oh, God.
What the heck are those, man?
It is chocolatey coated fondant candies with cocoa powder coating. Why do I have a feeling that's not going to taste like Nestle Quick?
It skitters away.
What? You want to just bite it and then give you the other half?
No.
I don't like fondant. And I don't like that face. Ugh. Oh. Straight up cocoa powder. Straight up.
Now tell me, you really want to love me
I
forever?
don't really want to eat these ever again. Now, the good news is,
Inside, it's not horrible,
and it's very sweet.
which then takes in the powder of the cocoa on the outside, but getting through the powder is... Golly.
Wow.
Russians eat a lot of sweet stuff, man.
They do, that's serious. I can't even think of anything that's like that.
It's just like
That was like pure sugar.
pure sugar.
With the disgusting cocoa powder.
Mmm.
It hurt for me now. Alright. Last thing before we get to the Yum Box. Not excited about this at all. You are. I'm not.
I don't know anymore. Cinnamon chocolate bar, milk chocolate bar with cinnamon. You might think of cinnamon as an ordinary spice, but it's long been surrounded by mystery. Cinnamon was used as early as 2000 BC in Egypt, where it was highly regarded as a gift fit for rulers and deities.
I just don't want it to suck. Just don't suck.
Yeah, it's basically just milk chocolate with.
Yeah. It stinks. It's literally a chocolate bar. Right. With way too much cinnamon in it.
Wow.
Oh, that's like toothpaste. It's like chewing cinnamon gum.
Remember that cinnamon act that you used to mouthwash with? Oh.
Like that. So I know.
That sounds like it would be better than it is.
Right. I know that cinnamon and chocolate are supposed to go well together. In moderation,
Are they?
I have to say.
Yeah. They really had them together much.
But in moderation. Not... That is way too freaking much cinnamon.
It's almost like alcoholic.
Ugh.
It's like hot damn.
I do not like cinnamon. Yeah, you don't know. There is cocoa powder, like.
You got to pick the pile going over there.
Here is an unfortunate yum bag.
Right.
This is chocked full. And usually, that does not mean yum.
There's only 4 different kinds of stuff in that.
That's good.
Allegedly.
They pack it full in case you like it.
Yeah, they give you like 8 of each one. Those are juicy, light peach and apricot jellies.
Alright, hold on. I guess I gotta get 2 out, huh? You want to say some too?
Not really.
Alright, yeah. Alright, so that's... No. So that's 1 of everything. 2 of everything. So you got these blue things.
Blue things are
Bonbon things.
Swan souffles.
Oh, gross.
Chocolate covered souffle with soft toffee. That might be alright.
This is peanut delight honey taste.
Cheese food.
Right
Chocolate covered honey and peanut candy. Oh boy.
up your old alley. Well, I don't know what this is. Nunchucks.
Caramel with lemon fondant and jam.
Jesus. Yuck.
And that is chocolate covered fruit jelly candy.
Starting there. Mm.
Yep, this is the Caramel Dreams. Caramel with lemon and jam. Oh.
So it's super sticky.
Just like a lemon drop with.
Yeah.
It keeps happening to me.
You get close up?
Oh. Need the EpiPen. No, it kicks out a bunch of saliva. It kind of gags you. It's really sweet again. Lemony.
It wasn't bad in the beginning because it was sweet with lemon, so you were like, oh,
right.
It tastes like a lemon drop. Then it gets
a lot of
sweet. And it's not very good. Okay. Where are you going?
You pick now, I picked that one.
Well, let's get rid of this nastiness.
Oh.
Peanut delight honey taste. Forest Fairy Nut Delight Honey Taste.
Whitaker.
Forest Whitaker. It's a Forest Fairy, and it has a squirrel on it. I don't know what that means.
Maybe a fairy can be shaped like a squirrel.
Okay.
Don't judge.
Stretching. What's the chocolate thing? Ew.
Oh. Oh.
That's bad.
Uh-uh.
Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Voila!
Mm. Oh. That was the worst thing of the evening. To me.
Way.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. That's not any worse than the salmon thing. Do I need to give you salmon thing again so you can taste them both? Ugh, that was bad. But not as bad as the salmon thing.
It was worse.
I would gladly eat one of them pickled cucumber things again.
You gladly eat one of those seaweed sticks?
I might after that. No, I would not ever. No, that's a lie.
All right. Juicy Light.
That was disgusting.
It was.
That was really gross.
Chocolate covered fruit jelly candy.
This is gonna be gross too.
They love to chocolate cover everything, don't they?
Hey, what's up with that? It's not even good chocolate like it is. Okay, a little bite. I watched his reaction for. Ew. 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 Ew.
Mm.
What fruit is that? Peach?
I don't know. A 2, just because there is worse stuff.
Alright, our last dream is a, what'd you call this?
Swan souffle, chocolate covered souffle with soft topping.
Why are you... Okay. So
Everything's
like a bonbon.
just like everything else, chocolate covered crap.
It's a weird popping noise while you're eating it. Oh.
Russia sucks.
Not as bad as... That's bad. That's bad. Alright, honey, you need to read the clue for next month. You made a mess. Your chocolate souffle.
Clues to next month's box. This country is small, but there's a whole lot to see. Streets made of water and blue pottery. Plus praline sweet waffles and large wheels of cheese. You'll be sad when it's over and saying, more please. It's Belgium.
What was I saying?
Yep.
Sweden.
Belgium.
Probably with the waffles.
Yeah. They make cheese in Belgium?
I don't know. They don't make anything good in Russia, so what difference does it make?
Okay.
So there it is. Thank you for joining us.
That was this month.
It's October.
Yeah. Figure out which month it was.
Right.
The food just
throw you off.
Yeah. Well, I'm on like a sugar high too. From like everything
I'm
was
starting to sweat.
Everything was sweet in that thing.
That's gross. But thank you for joining us, and we'll do this again next month. Maybe there will be some cheese and waffles. Maybe it won't be so bad.
Oh, I wish. I love waffles.
See you next time.
Toots.